Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva and today we are cooking Rara chicken। मैंने बहुत सारे शेफ देखे इस लॉकडाउन में, बहुत सारे मतलब बहुत सारे भर भर के लोगों ने खाना बनाया है। तो मैं भी अपनी एक रेसिपी शेयर करना चाह रहा हूँ रारा चिकन की, जो मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने कुछ लॉकडाउन में सीखा है तो वो बनाना यही सीखा है, रारा चिकन। तो मैं आज आपको रारा चिकन की रेसिपी बता रहा हूँ। I'm टेलिंग द रेसिपी फॉर रारा चिकन इज़ वेरी इजी, आई एम टेलिंग इन अ सिंपलेस्ट वे। मैं स्पाइसेस के बारे में दो चीज़ें बताऊंगा आपको, तो आप देख लेना। बाकी रारा चिकन बनाना बहुत इजी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट ऑल यू नीड आई एम गोना शो यू। तो भाई रारा चिकन बनाने के लिए यू नीड ऑल दीज थिंग्स। यू नीड चिकन, ये मैंने ग्रीन चिक से लिया है। मैंने 4 टमाटर लिए हैं, 4 टमाटोज, कैप्सिकम, हाँ, 3 अनियंस एंड 2 चिली। And you need dahi also, not the whole packet of dahi, just a little bit. I'll show you how much dahi you need. And I am using Rara chicken spice mix. ठीक है, मैं I will also tell you the substitute for this if you don't want to use this Rara chicken ready to cook spice mix. आप इसके अलावा क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, but this is very easy way to cook Rara chicken. Just you need this and it will be done. तो ये एक चीटिंग है जो कि मैं कर रहा हूँ इस वीडियो में स्पाइसेस को लेकर, बट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट ऑल स्पाइसेस यू नीड फॉर रारा चिकन ऑल्सो इन द सेम टाइम। सो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट यू नीड, दैट्स इट, यू डोंट नीड मोर थिंग्स other than this. Yes, you need something more, that is your oil. Okay, so you're gonna need oil also other than this, and that's it, that's all you need for rara chicken. So let me quickly prepare the recipe for you. तो भाइयों, जो भी मेरे दोस्त ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, रारा चिकन खाना हो तो घर आ जाना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, भाई बना के खिलाएगा तुम्हारा, ठीक। सो गाइस, द नेक्स्ट थिंग यू नीड इज टू कढ़ाई और बाउल्स। टू one is to fry chicken and another is to cook the rara chicken. So you need 2 of the bowls. That makes things very easy if you have 2 things. If you have these 2 things, you can easily cook. You can cook one time chicken here and other you can make the spices and everything right here. So it makes things very easy and very fast for me. सो भाई, रेडी टू मिक्स में एक्चुअली ये सब चीज़ें पहले से ही डली हुई हैं। स्पाइसेस, कॉन्डेमेंट, डिहाइड्रेटेड वेजिटेबल्स, सॉल्ट, कैश्यू, ब्राउन शुगर, कोकोनट, वाटरमेलन सीड, सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड, कंटेन्स कैश्यू एंड नट। बट इसके अलावा अगर आपको ये वाला स्पाइस अपने आप बनाना है तो आप ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करिए जो कि मैं अभी आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ। सो गाइस, इन द चिकन यू नीड टू पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कर्ड, नॉट सो मच, यू जस्ट नीड टू wet a little bit the chicken and that's it. And then you need to put the masala a little bit, which is the rara chicken masala that I will show you, this packet. You need to put this also a little bit. It already has a little of garlic and ginger, so you don't need to put, but I prefer to put a little bit of this in the marination, so it makes chicken also marinated with the same taste like the curry. And just you need to mix this like this, and meanwhile you need to put this in fridge when you are cutting the vegetables. Meanwhile you put this in fridge to marinate for some time. And other than that, you also need curd, this much, and you need to mash it. I will show you how to do it. And that's it. You need to keep this in the fridge now. So guys, for the tomatoes you just need to cut in 4 pieces, that's it. And you need to put inside the jar to make puree. This puree with curd and oil will make all the gravy. You don't need to make something else. So just cut tomatoes, 3-4 tomatoes. I'm taking 4 tomatoes. I'm making almost half a kg, 700 grams of chicken. So I think for me 4 is enough. If you are making more tomatoes, you need more. If you are making more chicken, you need more tomatoes. That's it. So I have cut the tomatoes and I have put in the jar to make the puree of tomato. And so guys, next I'm using 1 capsicum. It's just for the taste. I prefer to cut capsicum small because I think small makes more good gravy if you put capsicum. And then onion. You can cut it in big pieces or small pieces, not a problem, the way you like it. If someone likes the gravy a little thick, they can cut in small pieces. If you like gravy like water, no problem, you can cut in big pieces, but you will have to eat the big pieces of onion also. तो भाई प्याज कट गए हैं सारे प्याज काट दिए तुम्हारे भाई ने. And there goes the onion and capsicum, and it stays together. First you need to put onion and capsicum in the masala, and then you need to put the tomato puree. I'll just show you. Okay. तो भाई प्याज और कैप्सिकम कट गया है, ये सारी की सारी चिली कट गई है, और टोमेटो प्यूरी यहाँ है, और कढ़ाई मैंने पहले ही रेडी रख रखी है. दोनों मैंने तुम्हारे को बताया, एक चिकन फ्राई करने के लिए और एक रारा चिकन बनाने के लिए. तो अब शुरू हो जाते हैं, गैस ऑन करते हैं और देखते हैं क्या चीज़ बन रही है भाई आज. भाई और ये जो पैकेट है, दिस पैकेट ओनली कॉस्ट 60 रुपीज़, ओनली 60 रुपीज़ इट सेज हियर. It is MRP 60 rupees, so it's very cheap. You can use 2 times to make half and half kg. So guys, first you need to preheat the oil. You need to leave the gas and let the oil be a little good so that it works good, it cooks good. Otherwise it will not fry so good. So guys, leave, turn it on. तो गैस तेल एकदम तैयार हो गया. इसमें हम सबसे पहले डाल देंगे अनियन और कैप्सिकम. So guys, the next thing is how much this mix that I am using, Rara chicken mix, how much you have to put. I am putting half because I am making almost half kg. So you need to put like this. You need to, I have already marinated the chicken in this, but I am using this half, okay, half of the packet, that's it. And wow, now you need to move it, and you need to make it good. You need to see if the color is red of the onion and capsicum, and you also need to keep moving the chicken like this so it becomes good fried. So भाई कलर धीरे धीरे ही बनेगा इसका, देख लेना, हल्का तेल होना चाहिए. अगर तेल कम हो, if the oil is less, put more, and keep moving. It needs to get very good fried, deep fried. This will give all the taste, okay, so you need to make it good. I hope you know YouTube gives smells also with the video, so you can just smell the Rara here. तो भाई इसके अलावा थोड़ी सी चिली भी हो जाए. चिली क्या है, थोड़ा इंडियन ज़्यादा खाते हैं, तो भाई चिली डाल दी है, ये चिली गई इसके अंदर. मीनवाइल ये कुक हो रहा है, तो एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताता हूँ तुम्हारे को ग्रेवी के लिए. अब काफ़ी अच्छा कुक हो रहा है ये. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सिम पे कर दूँगा ताकि ये और अच्छी तरीके से निकल के आए. सो गाइस, जो ये कर्ड है इसको आपको फेंटना है, तभी आप इसको जो है ग्रेवी में डालेंगे. इसको अच्छी तरीके से जो है पतला कर लेना है बिल्कुल. यू हैव टू मेक दिस कर्ड thin, and then you have to put it in gravy. I will tell you how. तो भाई देखो, chicken is deep fried right now. Look, the chicken is deep fried right now. This is almost done. Sorry, I have to put a little more onion that was left. And now it's time to put the tomato gravy. So this is the tomato gravy that I have, and I am putting all the tomato gravy here. Okay, this has a little left, so I am using a little agua more to clean it up, if you can see. So guys, only this much water it needs to be put. If you put more water, it will take more time and the gravy will not be thick. So I'm just cleaning this jar and I'm putting the water here. That's it. No more water, no more water is necessary in this thing. And the chicken is almost ready. We're gonna put the chicken also here. First I'm gonna mix it good, this puree and water and everything that we have cooked right here. So now you can see the gravy is almost ready. The curd will become like this thin, and after you have made the curd, you need to put this curd inside.
With all the oil?
Yeah. So guys, right now we just putting all the chicken with oil in the gravy. No problem the oil. If you want to remove the excess oil, if you want to eat less oil, you can remove the oil. But I like it with the oil because we didn't put anything except the oil. We just put a little bit of agua, and then you need to mix everything. Look, there is no oil here, it was frying, but you can see the oil floating on the water. And I like oil, so you need to put the oil with the curry and chicken. And after this, when you are done, the next step is you need to put all the curd there. So this is the curd that we are using. I just show you how to prepare the curd, and you just put this curd. To clean again, you can put a little bit more water. So guys, this Rara chicken is almost ready today. You can see now it just need deep frying. Now it just need a little more time, and that's it. Gravy of this Rara chicken needs to be a little thick, so you need to leave it there so the chicken gets more, how do you say in English?
Tasty.
You need to leave here the chicken and let it cook for like 20-30 minutes, so the chicken becomes more and more delicious. It becomes more soft. After frying it, you need to make it more soft in water also, so you just need to leave it there. And look at the color of this gravy right now. Rara chicken smells so good. So guys, you need to keep moving it because the chicken needs to be, good in that gravy, and the gravy needs to get thick. Look at the gravy right now, and after it's cooked, I'll show you. But you need to keep moving in meanwhile. So guys, अब आप देख सकते हो कि काफ़ी हद तक जो है सेटल डाउन हो गया. ये थोड़ा ऊपर ऑयल है तो थोड़ा ऐसा दिख रहा है, वरना ग्रेवी देखो आप, देख रहे हो आप, ये ग्रेवी रेडी है. ऑयल की वजह से थोड़ी ऊपर से ऐसी लग रही है. मूव करोगे तो फुल ग्रेवी आएगी निकल के. ये देखो भाई, रारा चिकन बन गया रे भाई. तो भाई कैसा लग रहा है लाला चिकन, कमेंट जरूर करना कमेंट सेक्शन में, ठीक है. सो गाइस, द रारा चिकन इज रेडी. कैन यू सी? This is the color I was talking to you about, and this is the gravy. After keeping it for some time, just leave it on the gas without the fire. It will get in 5-10 minutes. It will settle down. All the agua which is hot, all the water which is hot will go up, and the gravy will become like this. Look at the gravy right now. This is with oil, but look at the gravy. रारा चिकन. तो भाइयों, ये कैरी मिनाटी वाला है. रोटी फेंको, प्याज फेंको, कुछ भी फेंको, लाइक बटन दब जाना चाहिए, सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन दब जाना चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता, और मुझे 1 लाख लाइक्स चाहिए इस वीडियो पे. ये कैरी मिनाटी वाला स्पेशल है, तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो. मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे को 1 लाख लाइक चाहिए.